Hi there, Zoe here. Today in this tutorial we are going to discuss how to remove background from your pictures or videos. So let's get started by importing your pictures which you want to keep as a background. After importing pictures, click Overlay to upload picture that has a background to be replaced. After adding picture, click Cutout or Remove Background option in Toolbar. Adjust both pictures to fit in. The next step should be to add filter to match the color grade of both pictures. Now I am adding more pictures to show you how you can handle different pictures with different backgrounds. Just repeat what we did before, add picture and then add overlay. Click Cutout while selecting the picture that has the background to be removed. Remove background. Adjust the position of the cutout picture align with the background image. Again add filter to both pictures. I added blue-gray from the Movies tab. Now you know how to change the background from the picture. Same process is used to change backgrounds from the videos as well. Here is the final result. So try spicing up your Halloween pictures with CapCut's background feature. Thanks for watching.